Hey, and welcome back to Jolu's, and a happy new year. Today we're gonna test out my microphone and drone. So hopefully this microphone works. So we have to screw on these joysticks. Then click once and hold on. Same with the drone. Click once and hold. So, right now I'm in Skagestølen. Skagestølen is where I started this whole channel, especially the hikes and the overnight camping trips.
Take off. Home point updated.
So, let's enjoy this. When I was walking through the woods and towards the mountains, I came across something I normally don't. And I'm quite sure what the animal is. But yeah, this scared me for a second and I was really confused. I've met this creature before, but not like this. Anyway, this is gonna be a little back and forth from the drone flying at Skagestølen and the encounter towards a place called Svarthamrane. It's not too far from Skagestølen. Enjoy! Very cool. Almost like paper. Oh, I'm glad I'm using my tall Viking boots. It's a nice view. Haven't heard anything from my friend in the woods. So, anyway, I think I am closing in. I can see something. Looks like an upside down tree. Probably fallen from the mountain, the treetop. Let's go. It's very steep. I have to climb here. I can't see which tree, but oh yeah, it's right there, I believe. And I've fallen, yeah. It's what you see on these Bigfoot shows. Here's gravity.
Heard something inside the forest here. What the hell is that? Very loud bang. I know there's deer tracks here, but they're going downwards, not upwards. Oh. It's hard to see anything. Uh-oh. Oh shit. What the hell is that? Has to be a deer. Nothing else make that sound. Scared the shit out of me. Jesus. Oh. At least I heard something. I'm 98% sure that was a deer. Probably a very angry buck. He was probably sleeping, resting or something. I woke him up. Anyway. I'm still trying to find Svarthamrane. That's it's around here somewhere, but it's too steep. It's just a mountain wall here, and let's go down. Oh. Okay, maybe I can go up there. Maybe. I'm gonna try. I haven't been here before, but very nice view.